Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Well, today I want to talk about this guy right here. His name is Waldy, and as you can see, it's drugs, gun, dirty money, homicidal psychopath, and criminality and evil. I've been doing some research into this dude right here, Wilder from Cockburn Pain. And the kind of stuff that I'm digging up makes your head spin. Listen, this is something out of a chilling homicidal thriller. You ever watch something like Silence of the Lambs? I think this guy is a modern day Silence of the Lambs. The stuff that I'm hearing, it make the hair at the back of my neck stand up. I want you guys to follow me on this equation. Now, I'm doing my research and I came across this and I'm just packaging it because all this is out there in cyberspace and whatnot. Word of mouth, this, that, whatever. But I came across this in cyber and it goes. I want you guys to follow me. From 77 Lane. And this is quoted what I get off this message board, this website. It says, from 77 Lane, Bulby from Portmore, son. Bulby from Portmore, son Ramdial and father Ramdial. The person goes on to say, Waldy, you never did ever kill all of them man there and get away with it. This is what I am quoting. You use the policeman and the one that the policeman killed the week before Saturday and killed the man then. So pretty much they're saying you use the policeman and the one that the police killed the week before Saturday and killed the man then. So I guess he must have sent some people on the ops and then kill the man then after the ops. Yo, this is spine chilling. Now, it says the same police that is on your payroll when Father Ramdial find out, say you killed him son, a $20 million him give the police them to kill you. You heard that? So, after Ramdial found out what's going on with his son, he gave the police $20 million to get rid of Wally. Wow. Now, the person goes on to say, but because you have 3/4 of the police them on your payroll, one come back and squeal to you about the order, so you send them to go kill Mr. Ramdial. It goes on to say, Qualo never did ever make you get away with that one, cause them did hold the car after you killed the son, because that car was registered in your brother's name and is a police and a one you hitman did in there. I'm a little bit confused right there. It says Qualo did ever make you never make you get away with that one, because them did hold the car after you killed the son. Because that car was registered in your brother's name and is a police and a one it man did it. So you have a one man do that. The police them let them go because of the police badge all corrupt. So apparently a police was involved and police stopped them, but because a policeman was involved, them let them go. So now you tell me if that's not chilling. I don't know what is. Man, I'm reading this thing and I'm getting chills. Now, the user went on to say, the same police them where you trust turn round back and take the order to take you out. You see how the RAV4 drive up on you neatly when you switch cars and start to put it on you. The amount of gun that Uno did have with Uno and no none could fire, same like how you use police, kill bully, and Mampiziks the same way you use them. Now, the user goes on to say, Penko, you are next. You sell out bully for $3 million and a bike. Your days is numbered cause remember, say, nobody a pen no rate you. Because Waldy, while you did still alive. Waldy take him drugs money and corrupt you them. Now, if this is not something out of a trillion crime now, I don't know what is. Man, this is crazy. But follow this equation, because with this dude Waldy, now I've also heard through the grapevine that he was some kind of contractor and he was stealing people's money when they give it to him for homes. You understand? Between him and you have the one in the one a British mayor was doing that. So this guy Waldy was a homicidal killer. This dude is one of the coolest thing come out of Jamaica because it seems like he's nice and low key, but very deadly. You could tell him like, no Waldy, I'm not giving you that. And then right away, he plan your murder. How can you deal with somebody like that? I am not making this up. This is what's out there. Let's move on. Now, I'm gonna read the last piece, what this viewer is saying, and then give my commentary. Now, this is chilling. Listen to this. It goes on to say, the amount of killing that go on for the last 4 months, are you responsible for it? Now, that's Waldy. The triple shooting in Mongoose Town, the Content and Gully War. If those of you know where Content is, Content Avenue is on Walton Park Road when you pass Bay Farm Road. It's more closer to Tarrant Drive. You pass St. Jude's Primary School and you go up. You pass 77 Lane and Content is up in that area. So that's how wide-scale this man thing is. So it goes on to say, this right here, I don't really understand. It say, then, which I think they're saying, then need to take back up your body and shoot up back it 20 more time all your dirty brother about him called big meeting with Melon and Cat them. Yo, the anonymous person went on to say, about the police for dead for your brother. Why don't you tell your cronies, say, when the RAV4 Jack Uno and ask your name and you tell them, and when them ask your brother, feel name and him tell them start to get put on. Remember? He goes on to say, the police them never want to kill you, so them just fire some shot at you and the car for pretty up it. Una keep big meeting for kill off back police. And now una go dead fast. And he say, you keep big meeting for kill off back police, but now una go dead fast. Walde, go on, go join bully them in a hell, cause them are wait for a long time. Enough people are rejoice, but then have to keep it under hush hush. Gully man them can sleep in peace now. Wow. Do you guys hear that? This shit is incredible. I can't believe this stuff is floating around out there. Now, I'm going to give my commentary on this guy, Wally. Now, just reading this sent chill down my spine. I don't know where this person get this information from and post it, but it seems like he was listening to a conversation. Now, a lot of people say people have confirmed this is what happened to this guy, Wally. I don't know, but it sent chills down my spine. Now, if this guy, he is, I gotta find the right word to describe this man. Yo, this guy is a straight serial killer. I'm gonna label him Jamaica Hannibal Lecter. You ever watch the movie Hannibal Lecter? He's a forensic psychologist with an IQ of 148. And he's a serial killer and he's a cannibal. Now, the only thing we haven't heard is this guy eating people. But I heard he be dumping bodies too. Over by Riverton. I mean, there is so much story on this guy. It makes my head spin. Now, from what I heard, it seems like Cockburn Pen is under peace right now. Because I heard a peace meeting was called. And man and people then is a peace. So thank God Cockburn Pen is under peace. And like I said, it's so much to this guy. I could write a book on him. No, I just wish man them stop kill each other and just do the right thing. But I'm gonna label this one Jamaica Hannibal Lecter. Vicious serial killer, dangerous boy. Yo, my name is Countryman. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep the fire burning, and I have more videos coming up.